Here are 4 upload settings that nobody on YouTube talks about, but will increase your views and help me get videos like this and this with over 1 million views. I'm Jordan, just started this new channel after making over $5 million, hiring 50 people. And to prove to you that this video is worth your time, then at least check the data behind setting number 4. Anyways, the first hidden setting is a small secret on how you get those custom thumbnails on your shorts. Simply add your custom thumbnail not as the first frame, but the first 2 frames of the video when you are editing. And then when you upload your short, manually drag that slider to the beginning of the video like this. And voila, your custom thumbnail will show on shorts, giving you a much higher chance to increase your click-through rate. For many reasons, but of course one of them because very few people are doing this. So you stand out with those custom thumbnails on shorts. But also avoid your captions or graphics being covered by YouTube's user interface, like their like button, channel name, and so on. I've seen a lot of people making this mistake, including myself, but you can simply avoid it by sending this free overlay to your video editor or using that yourself. Which brings me to setting number 2, video visibility, and something I also had to find out myself because nobody talks about it, or at least the people that I've seen. So 2 things you should know about it. You can't write your pinned comment if you schedule your video, but what you can do is to upload your videos as unlisted, and then strangely enough can write your comments already, and then you can go back to the video settings and then schedule it. For example, you can schedule it the day after, and when your video then goes live the next day, your pinned comment is already there. And trust me when I say that your pinned comment drives a significant amount of traffic to the links you add there or any call to action. And to prove you this, I'm going to leave a pinned comment below where 1, you can subscribe to each other if you like their channel so you can grow together this year, and 2, so you can take part in my experiment to see how impactful the comment to view ratio actually is. So leave a comment below and help each other grow. Which brings me to setting number 3. Relying on the new YouTube thumbnail A/B test tool is, I think, a mistake, and it could actually be worse than not using it. Before I explain, know that you can download my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. Free download link below. But why is it a mistake to use YouTube's native A/B test tool? Well, YouTube, they care the most, at least that's what I think, about watch time. Now, how do I come with this assumption? Well, it's the only metric that they show here in their A/B test tool. They don't show click-through rate or other metrics, but I have found for myself, after hundreds of A/B tests, that it is much easier to increase click-through rate than it is to increase average view duration with your thumbnail. So I want to A/B test my thumbnails and at least see more data points like click-through rate, which is why I use a pay tool that also allows me to hourly A/B test not only my thumbnail but also my title, and then look at the data that I get. I mean, really look at it here. I can then make a much more informed decision and not just let YouTube decide. But I'm not going to tell you to pay for tools, because if you're serious about YouTube, you will do so on your own accord, at least that's what I think, and you will do so when you think it's worth it. And what is absolutely worth it is using free tools, which is why I added 80 plus free tools that I use in this Google Sheet that are actually useful, non-sponsored, no affiliated, free link below. Which brings me to setting number 4. Avoid uploading a video that your subscribers aren't interested in. Now I hear your mind saying, no shit Jordan, I already know, but how can I find that out? And what is the alternative? Well, you can check this by going to your inspiration tab over here and then typing the video title or some keywords about the video that you are about to make, for example YouTube settings. And as you can see here, there's a lot of interest in my audience for this type of video, but this depends on your subscribers. So then what you can do if you really want to make a specific video but it shows low interest, well then I recommend uploading it to a separate channel if you really want to post it. And here's why. I did a 6-month YouTube experiment where I uploaded over 311 long form videos across multiple channels, and here's one of the results that gave me enough proof that priming your channel is very important on YouTube. I uploaded almost the same video on 2 different channels. This is just one of those examples where channel A had around 390 subscribers back then, and channel B had only 3 subscribers. Now I remember this video actually had a low interest rating on channel A, and on channel B it did not have anything yet because it only had 3 subscribers. But channel B was primed, which means that the videos that were uploaded on that channel, even though it had 3 subscribers, were very specific, very niched, and all in the same category. And so the few subscribers that it had and the data that YouTube already got from those videos were all about the same thing, which is a key concept to understand. And you know what happened? Well, that almost identical video got only 170 views on channel A when I concluded the experiment, which by the way was almost identical, same time run and so on. But then it got over 1,000 views on channel B with only 3 subscribers. Is that significant enough of data? No, but it proved to me that there is some benefit to priming your channel. Because if I can get 5 to 10 times the amount of views by simply making sure that I upload the video to the right channel, of course I will at least try to do so. Both videos were roughly uploaded on the same day and have been live for around the same amount of hours. So TLDR here is to search for keywords of your video that you're about to make in your inspirations tab, and then if you really want to make it but it shows a low interest, then simply upload it on a new channel, or even more simpler, just focus on the videos that have a high interest. But if you really want to make it, then at least upload it to a separate channel. But there are a few things that you want to avoid when you do this. They are too long for this video. I actually share them in this video. It's honestly, I think, one of the most underrated videos that I've created, but very useful. Watch it here or save it to your watch later or not. Talk soon.